Hi everyone, how are you? Today I'm going to change the WordPress default WP admin or WP login URL without any plugin or extension. So this is my domain name, you can see that, and I am pressing WP admin. You can see that it's redirecting to my WP login pages. Here, today I'm going to change this WP login URL or WP admin URL without any extension. So I have to go to my cPanel for that, and I'm going to my file manager. I'm going to public HTML, and I have to find wplogin.php. We need to edit it, but first I'm taking a backup of it. I'm downloading it. And I'm editing this. Press anywhere and find and press Ctrl+F for find key for Windows, and you have to find WP login. You can see there is 15 result here, and press plus button here, and I'm going to replace the name with test. Replace all. And save changes. I can close it and rename this folder. I'm sorry, rename this file test. Rename file. We're all done. Let's check it again. WP admin. Let's check the first one. You can see that there is a 404 error. The login page couldn't be found. Let's try our new method. Let's check our new edited version. Test dot. Remember to write .php. Enter. Cool. You can say that the URL change without any extension. Thank you for watching my video.